Are you confused about which one is better, a laptop or a desktop? Then you are at the right place as we are going to discuss here which one is better. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. Laptop versus desktop is a battle that excites a lot of people. Many are skeptical about spending loads of money on a desktop, and many are confused about how a laptop can make ends meet. In this video, we will see which one is better, a laptop or a desktop for you. Let's get started. Laptop versus desktop. What is the difference? The major difference between a laptop and a desktop is sustained performance. It is self-explanatory to look at the size of the devices. A laptop is small, and packaging a desktop-level cooling system is impossible in it. With modern software optimization and modern chip fabrication methods, laptops can exchange blows with their much heftier counterparts. But the problem is, the more you use the device, the more heat will be produced. And because of fans with low RPMs, heat dissipation wouldn't be as effective as it should be. Therefore, your system will be subjected to thermal throttling, and your computer's performance will take a dip to counter the excessive heat production. Here's a comparison to sort out the buying decision for you. Let's get started. 1. Portability. A laptop is more portable than a desktop. With a desktop, you need a monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU, and many other things. Hence, carrying it from your home to your workplace and vice versa is not a very prudent job. Whereas in the case of a laptop, all you need is a laptop and a power cable to charge it. So, the laptop is portable without an iota of doubt. 2. Performance. Desktops usually perform better than laptops. However, with the help of more advanced fabrication techniques, the gap between the performance of these devices is decreasing. But still, the sheer difference between the horsepower cannot be overlooked. Desktops have bigger and more powerful CPUs as well as GPUs. The gap between their GPUs is even wider with more powerful fans. All this combines to make a better machine for gaming, video editing, and other demanding tasks. There are some powerful laptops as well, especially gaming laptops. These laptops are apt enough to run demanding titles and do professional level video and photo editing. 3. Screen size. Since laptops are smaller than desktops, they will have small monitors, which is kind of the point of having a laptop compact. Whereas with the desktops, you can go all out. So, desktop is a winner here, hands down. 4. Cost. Desktops can get you similar, if not better, performance at a lower price than a laptop. However, with a desktop, you can go all out and configure them the way you want. Whereas, in the case of laptops, the variety is there but not to the extent of a desktop. They are generally more expensive, but you can find some inexpensive ones in the market. However, the requirements vary from person to person. So, let us see which is better for you depending on the work that you do. Desktop versus laptop for gaming. If you want to set up for gaming, then you can go for laptops. Gaming laptops are a thing now. Companies like Alienware, Dell, Lenovo, and Asus have taken the gaming market by storm by not just acing the gaming desktops, but also compressing them and making a powerful machine in the form factor of a laptop. However, desktops are more powerful, but there are some capable gaming laptops for you to try. Desktop versus laptop, which is better for students. For a student, a laptop is a better option as it is portable and you can carry it around the campus with ease. However, you can go for a notebook instead of a gaming laptop. That's because they are lightweight and won't hurt your back. However, if you have already a laptop and want something for your home, then a desktop can be a good purchase. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.